Good day. I'm going to present the topic that has been discussed in this subject, and we are on the ULO 3 topic, and this is under from the group 3, joined from the two codes. In the first column, the presenter is we have four presenters with the corresponding topic. Kanglet presented the introduction on the electrical services, plumbing services, and the mechanical services. It is followed by Bosico presenting the electrical services, Kakas about on the plumbing services by giving information related to this subject, and the last one for Kanomo, the classification of electrical system and typical electrical schematic. This contains the diagram regarding on the system or order in the electricity, especially in the residential building. After the presentation of the introduction and regarding on the plumbing electrical services, Carloman presented the topic about on the low voltage system. There are five subtopics regarding on this major topic. It was discussed about the fire detection and fire alarm system and the public address system. Cartagena presented the access control system and the CCTV system and the monitoring system, while Kasangwar presented the last subtopic under this low voltage system, the building management system, and it comprises this what we call HVAC or the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Next, the presenters are Castillo, the introduction on the fire, what is fire, even the classification on how to extinguish fire in the design of residential building, commercial building as well. It is followed yours truly about the firefighting system. It was discussed in this topic the different devices on extinguishing fire. It is followed by Silado. It talk about plumbing and the proper design on all of the pipes that can be found in residential or commercial building. Senchos presented this what we call the MEP, the mechanical electrical plumbing service line. Coleta presented the additional information regarding on the first report, and Colado presented the MEP coordination. It is followed also by these uh, five reporters. Cortez presented the mechanical, electrical, plumbing interfacing. Dalosa presented interfacing as well. There are subtopics under from this major topic. It was divided to accommodate or to give way to all of the members to report in this course. It was followed by Descalzo, the mechanical electrical plumbing integration. Ispedilion talked about the basic requirement and coordination with civil structure works. And this report was ended by Flores. It discussed the construction requirements. And this is the last group who presented the topics under this course. This is Merlo Sikatipunan. Thank you.